Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will take a look at the process of migrating data from Release 2.1 or lower versions of Tally Prime to Release 5.1. When you migrate to Tally Prime 3.0 from earlier versions, by default, vouchers will be set to retain original voucher numbers when you delete or insert a voucher for that series. This was applicable to all voucher types with automatic or multi-user auto as the method of voucher numbering. To address this, you had to change setting in the voucher type master post-migration. After changing the setting, the affected vouchers were recomputed while opening the GSTR returns report, which was taking up a lot of time. Similarly, HSN SAC validation was introduced in the same release, as a result of which the vouchers without HSN SAC were being moved to uncertain. This included B2C transactions that did not need HSN SAC validation and are not required to be part of HSN SAC summary. You could exclude HSN SAC validation for B2C transactions and set the length of HSN SAC manually in F11. However, this was affecting the existing vouchers, and the affected vouchers were recomputed while opening the GSTR returns, which was taking up a lot of time. Now, we have provided the options during migration where you can configure these requirements. Let us look at these options provided in the migration screen and know more about the configuration settings. Open Tally Prime and go to the folder containing the data from Release 2.1 or older versions that you want to migrate to Release 5.1. You will see the migration required status mentioned against such company data. Select the company and press Enter to initiate the migration process. You can see the option to set numbering behavior for insertion deletion as retain original voucher number for voucher types with automatic or multi-user auto as numbering method. To configure this option, click Configure. Take backup of data to have a copy of your pre-migration data. Move to set numbering behavior for insertion deletion as retain original voucher number and press Enter. Select all sales voucher types to configure all sales voucher types with automatic or multi-user auto numbering method to retain original numbers when an existing voucher is deleted or new voucher is inserted in between existing series. Select all voucher types to configure all voucher types for retaining original voucher numbers. Select None to continue using your existing voucher numbering behavior post-migration. In this case, select all sales voucher types. Press Ctrl A to save. Now, navigate to create HSN SAC summary for and press Enter. Select all sections to create HSN SAC summary for transactions in all sections of GST returns. Select all sections except B2C to exclude B2C transactions from HSN SAC summary. Select None to not create HSN SAC summary for any section. In this case, select all sections except B2C and press Enter. For the minimum length of HSN SAC based on annual turnover, set the length as per your business requirement. Note that once you set the length, stock items and services coming under GST should have HSN SAC meeting this requirement. If HSN SAC is not present or does not meet the minimum length, then all transactions containing these masters will be marked as uncertain. Press Enter. Press Ctrl A to save the configurations. Click Migrate to start the migration. Open the data after migration. To view the voucher type masters, press Alt-G. Alter Master. Voucher type. Select sales from the list. Here, as you can see, the option Retain Original Voucher Number is selected against numbering behavior on insertion deletion. Press Escape. Select Purchase. Here you can see that the option Renumber Vouchers is selected. To also check the B2C transactions, press Alt-G. Type or select GSTR1 and press Enter. Here you will see that all the B2C transactions are included in the return and they are not part of HSN summary. As you can see, the issues that you might have faced while migrating the data of Release 2.1 or lower versions to Release 5.1 are mitigated by allowing you to select the voucher types where voucher numbering behavior is managed on insertion or deletion of vouchers. Choose exclusion of B2C vouchers from HSN SAC summary and select length of HSN SAC. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.